Morning students, in the last class we covered these tags: ordered list, unordered list. Attributes of ordered list is type and start. Attributes of unordered list is only type. Now we will learn the other tags, that is called definition list tag. A definition list is a list of terms with a definition for each terms. To define any definition, a definition list is enclosed with DL tag. Open the DL tag and close the DL tag. DT and DD tags can be used within the DL tag. Inside the DL tag, we use DT and DD tag. Now, DL means definition list, DT means definition term, and DD means definition describes. Now, syntax is you should start with DL. Now DT. Inside the DT you should write the term of the definition and close the DT. And DD means definition describe. You should describe the definitions here and close the definition describe and close the DL tag, definition list tag. Just see, check in the example. I write it DL. Okay, then DT noun. Here we can write the definition of noun and close the DT. DD we write the definition of noun and close the DD, and then close the DL, definition list. Next one is adding image tag. To adding an image tag, adding an image to a web page make it more attractive. You can insert image in a web page using the img tag. This tag is used for insert an image in the web page, which is an empty tag. That means no closing tag is used in the image tag. There is no closing tag. The img tag, image tag, creates a holding space for the image. It supports commonly the JPEG file, JPG and GIF format. Tag is img. Attributes of image tags are src, align, border, height, width and alter, alt. src attribute. What is the use of src attribute? To identify the location of the image, where the image is stored. It take that image and it display in the web page. Syntax is img src equal to file name. Example, img src equal to e:/webpage/peacock.jpg. My file peacock.jpeg file is in the where folder? Which folder? Web page folder. Now border. To give the border to your image, the thickness of the border is n. What number you can given here, that much of thickness border can give in the web page. Range is 1 to 10, where n is a number to specify pixels. Default without border. If you are not using any border, then it display the image without border. Syntax is img src equal to file name, border equal to n. Here I use the border. In example, I use the border 2. Next one, attributes is height. That means suppose the image is so big and you want to a small image in your web page, then you can specify with the height attribute. To specify the height, h, that is the number. Here h is the pixel of the image in the pixel. And width attribute, to specify the width of the image in pixel. We do it together because see, img src, the file name where the image is stored, border, you can use the border also, but in between these two you should use the space. Height equal to, give the height, how much height you want, and width equal to how much width you want, you give it here. Example, I use it img src equal to, I use the file name, border equal to 2, height equal to 200 and width equal to 400. Next one is that attribute is align attribute. To specify the alignment of the image, position can be left, right, top and bottom, where you want the image in the text. Suppose if you want in the left side, you should align it in the left. If you want it the right, it align to the right. How to use it? See, image, src, file name, then border, then height and width, then align and the position name, which left or right. Here I give the example, image src. See here, I align the left, I align here bottom, I align here top. If you use it, then you know it. Next one, last attribute is alt, an alternate text for the image if the user for some reason cannot view it. Sometimes we have to use this image and it can't display in the web page. Then it display, instead of image, it display this message, alt message, alternate text message will display there. The alt message will display in the web page when you keep the mouse in it that place. Syntax is src, file name, height, weight and alt. This is the message, alt equal to text. Now we practice the HTML code. We check it in the notepad. Now I put it header, HTML head title, close the head body, bg color equal to yellow, text equal to blue. And now I use all these tags. Now DL tag, DT, noun, DD. I give the definition of the noun and close the DD, DL. Now image tag, and image tag I use web page, peacock image is there, border 2, height equal to 200 and width equal to 400, and I give a space, then give again same thing, and here I use it align right, and again I give a space, then I use the small difference, I change this one small difference and same thing, and I use here alt image of peacock. Now save it. I save it. Or then now we do it, run the web page. Okay. Now run it. Double click in HTML6. See, it display the noun definition. Here it display the definition. Here it display the picture of image of peacock. Here it comes to the right side. Then here image is not available, so what it display, image of peacock. Here it display the alt message. Okay, clear? Thank you. In the next class we learn more tags.